Well, where to from here? We're nearly at the end of the first year of the implementation of the Year 7 program. We have students coming out of this program with very mature attitudes. They're still young kids, but they've become independent learners. They understand quality processes. They understand that life is about systems and processes, how they interact with those things. They demand self-direction in their learning. So we're never going to go back to traditional classrooms, even if they happen to be enclosed in four walls. These students will demand a different way of teaching and learning. At the moment, we're busy building the Year 8 program, which will become a bridge to the Year 9 program. Our Year 9 program gives students a lot of flexibility in the way they come to school. They have single-sex classes that are integrated classes. They don't do separate subjects. They have a day where they spend a day in the community working with the local primary schools. So there's a lot of flexibility in that program. It's a very exciting program. Our Year 7s are leaving Year 7 with complete self-direction, a quality culture, and they need to go into another program that's going to extend that and bridge them towards Year 9. So the Year 8 program is going to be a program where we use a little bit of both those worlds. The students will be very self-directed. They understand the culture of the quality process and how quality processes work, so they'll be using that in all their subject areas. They won't have single subjects, we won't be going back to that. These students will not go back into traditional type classrooms until they hit Year 10 here. They'll do Essential World, which is their maths and science, and they'll do Exploring Society, which is their English and SOS. They'll work with the Year 7s in the centre. We'll have them integrating, we'll have cross-peer students there. And the students will still have a family guide. So we have a little bit of delineation between the subject areas now, but still all self-directed, all based on capacity matrices and essential learning elements. These students will then move on into Year 9. Our greatest challenge after that, because we know the 7, 8 and 9 programs are very rewarding for the students, is to make sure that we can build a Year 10 program that bridges towards our VCE, our final 2 years of secondary school. And that Year 10 has to not only make learning fun, but by this time we're expecting that we have very aware students in that year level, but we have to provide them with a way in which to work with the framework that is VCE that we can't change.